When done just right, grilled and steamed corn on the cob is crisp and juicy, sweet and smoky, and pretty easy to make. The way I cook it is a combination of steaming and grilling, and I do it on a grill pan right in my own kitchen. They say we eat with our eyes, and seeing that butter get melty and drippy on the corn really gets my mouth watering. And nicely tying up the charred, crispy husk makes for a dramatic look on the table when serving. Okay, let's get started. First, remove the husk, but don't tear it completely off. Instead, peel it down and gather up the husk at the end of the cob. Remove the silk. Corn silk is the long, thread-like strands of plant material that grow underneath the husk of a fresh ear of corn. It has its uses, but today we'll remove it, which leaves us with our ears of corn. Wrap the corn up again, loosely, but tear off the outer layer of the husk. This will expose your corn kernels to the steaming and charring process more directly. Here's my grilling pan. No, it's not as fun as grilling outside with all those flames and fire, but it works well when the outdoor grill has been put up for the season, and I can also steam with it at the same time. Heat the pan to medium to hot and arrange the corn on the pan. Let it start to char a bit, and when it's hot enough to make steam, pour in enough water to cover the bottom of the grill pan. Cover with a large lid. Anything will do. The steam will make the individual corns plump up nicely, and it evaporates pretty quickly. Then the plump corn kernels are ready to get fully charred. Turn the grill on the grill pan, and you'll see you're starting to get the benefits of both charring and steaming at the same time. Repeat this process a couple of times. Any more and the corn kernels can get dried out from charring or mushy from over-steaming. Check your corn to make sure it's charred just the way you like and is plump and juicy at the same time. Tie up your charred, crispy, juicy, smoky corn on the cob. Here I'm just using some twine I had laying around, but you could use a twisty or anything else. Then arrange it on a plate or a pan. Here I'm using an enamel baking pan for casual serving. Everyone at the table gets their own wide plate, which sizes perfectly. They all love the cultured vegan butter I made myself, and the combination of sea salt, ground pepper, and red pepper flakes really sets things off. Your guests will adore this corn on the cob. It's fun to eat, a little bit messy, but it looks great, and it is ever so delicious. Enjoy.